So we were given these things and this, and already had one of these. So I guess I should put them together. Oh my God. Why am I using this? Well, it was free. I found it in the trash. Well, I figure a wood stove will need a grate. So, another free item found in the trash. That came from an Outback Steakhouse, I think. It was their grill. Broke apart, lost a couple of the rods. My brother welded it. Also gonna replace these lame plastic ones with these metal ones. I pulled off another barrel. Didn't even notice that until I started cutting on this one. I think that'll do. Guess I gotta give it its first firing. Shortly after I finished this wood stove, I got this wood stove for free. They came with the pipes and dampers and some other stuff. So I used those pipes and the damper. And now this one is installed and operational.